Python multiprocessing lib error, attribute error, _exit _. I'm getting this error when using the pool.map funct, iterable. No explanation, only stack trace to the pool.py file within the module. Using in this way. I suspect there could be a problem with the picklability. Python needs to pickle, or transform list data into byte stream, yet I'm not sure if this is true or if it is how to debug. Edit, new format of code that produces this error. Error produced.
In Python 2.x and 3.0, 3.1 and 3.2, multiprocessing.pool, objects are not context managers. You cannot use them in a with statement. Only in Python 3.3 and up can you use them as such. From the Python 3, multiprocessing.pool, documentation. New in version 3.3, pool objects now support the context management protocol. See context manager types. _enter_ returns the pool object, and _exit_ calls terminate. For earlier Python versions, you could use contextlib.closing, but take into account this will call pool.close, not pool.terminate. Terminate manually in that case. Or create your own terminating context manager.
With statement is for object that have _enter_ and _exit_ functions, i.e. context manager types. Multiprocessing.pool is not context manager type. Try do the following.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.